get morning sun. I just need a glass of water. Yum. Yum. Oh well. Back to sleep. Oh, it's morning already. As they say, time goes really fast. Oh well. Let's do. What should we get? What should we put on a dress this time? Okay. Long sleeve dress. Here I come. But it looks pretty weird on me, so what should I get? This dress maybe? This is good. Oh, my bad. Oh well. I just want to stay with it then. Alright. Oh well. Oh well. I didn't even turn the TV on last night. I think I'm gonna have, what should I have for breakfast? An egg. Don't know. There. That's gonna cook. And I will be sitting here. Oh my goodness. I love words. Alright. Enough of that. Let's go and see if my egg is cooked. It definitely is cooked. Alright. Egg. Look into the pan. Into whatever. Oh. A fork. Oh no. And a knife. Alright. Time to dig into this yummy. Oh. It's completely disappeared. Break the yolk. Oh yeah. Yum, yum. Oops. Fork. And let's dig in. That was one spectacular breakfast. Alright. Put it in the sink. I'll wash it later. Oh well. Time to go somewhere else. What if I go to my friend's house? That will be amazing. Okay, get on the phone. Goodbye. Hi, Sarah. Oh my goodness. Hi, Lily. Hi. Oh my goodness. I miss you so much. Yeah, me too. Wanna play some video games? Sure. Alright, get comfy on the couch. And you be first with a competitor. Okay. Ooh. Oh no, he's beating me. Oh. Now I'm beating him. Oh no. Ugh. He keeps going in front of me. No. Oh well. That was a good game. Do you want to have a sleepover? Sure. Okay. Is it nighttime? I don't know actually. Let's go check. Okay. Wait, it just turned nighttime. And go to bed. But I don't have a bed Should I sleep on the couch? Yeah, you sleep on the couch. With this. You what? Your house is crazy. Yeah, it is crazy. Okay. Good night. Good night. Should I turn the light on? No thanks. Okay. Good night. Good night.